As the dawn of 2024 breaks, the world of cryptocurrency finds itself navigating a complex maze of regulatory challenges and hopes for clarity. This journey into the unknown, riddled with high-profile legal battles and leadership changes, has been nothing short of a rollercoaster ride. The urgency for a well-defined regulatory framework looms large, but the path ahead is far from smooth sailing. Rewinding to the pivotal moments of 2023, the introduction of key legislative bills brought a glimmer of hope. H.R. 4766 and the Lummis-Gillibrand Responsible Financial Innovation Act emerged as potential game-changers. The former aimed to regulate stablecoins, emphasizing reserves, transparent redemption, and a dual oversight system. On the other hand, the Lummis-Gillibrand Act sought to streamline digital asset policy, bolster consumer protection, and regulate exchanges. But the road to their approval was anything but easy. Oppositions arose, resistance from key figures such as Maxine Waters surfaced, and potential hurdles from the Securities and Exchange Commission loomed large. Market analysts echoed these uncertainties, predicting a tumultuous path with only a 1 in 4 chance for the Lummis-Gillibrand Act, and the fate of the stablecoin bill largely dependent on the stance of SEC Chair Gary Gensler. Fast forward to 2024, the landscape is shaped by several game-changing elements. Congressional reviews of SEC's accounting policies, the upcoming elections, and the ever-evolving crypto markets have brewed a volatile mix. As the industry holds its breath in anticipation, the future of digital assets in the United States hangs in the balance. The outcome of these legislative efforts holds the potential to redefine the crypto realm in 2024. And that's where we find ourselves today, at the intersection of innovation and regulation, waiting for the path forward to unfold. For all the latest updates on crypto regulation and more, stay tuned to SheTrades Crypto. The transformative year ahead is not one to be missed. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Thanks for tuning in.